Hey y'all, welcome back. I don't know if this is gonna be the beginning of the video or not, but I'm gonna say hey anyways, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tayana, if you did not know. And yeah, what am I doing right now? So clearly I'm doing my hair. I'm doing my hair right now because I'm getting ready to go to dinner. Today is my friend's birthday and we're going to dinner. So I need to actually hurry up because I still gotta do my face. I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna do like a whole like beat face. I don't think I'm gonna do all that. I may just do like a little concealer, do my brows, maybe put a little blush on, a little bronzer, or something like that. Just something simple. Like I don't feel like doing the whole shebang just to come home and wipe it off. I'm trying my hardest not to burn myself, but this hair is so hot. Ooh. So yeah, we're going to dinner. We're going to this place called Leon's. It's a really good place. It's Italian and like American too, I guess, because they do have like some American dishes as well. But it's a cute little restaurant. It's the vibes, if you would say. Oh, look at the thread coming out. This is so ghetto. I'm gonna take this out soon. I think I had already talked about that, but I'm definitely taking this hair out soon because there's no reason why my daggone braids should be coming through my tracks. Why? And it has not been a month. It's not even been a month yet. And actually this started like a couple weeks ago. Like I can feel the braid like popping out from in my track. I'm like, well, it's okay because I got an appointment scheduled. What is wrong with this damn thing? I like curling irons, but then I don't because I am definitely being put to the test for sure. For sure. So yeah. About to finish. Well, actually my hair is done. I just have it like all pin curled and stuff, so my curls stay while I do something to my face and get dressed. I don't know what I'm wearing. I think I might just do that. A cute pair of jeans with some black boots and a black turtleneck. I think I'll do that. Alright, I'm gonna come down a little bit. Ooh. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna bring you. Ooh. It's like I'll be ready to take this out, but then like I actually do my hair and I'm like, nah, I'm gonna keep it in, I'm gonna keep it in. This one. Yeah, so I'm gonna wear my Jimmy Choo, I Want You. If there's anything left. Yes, this is a sample. but I'm gonna get the real, I'm gonna get the big one. And then I'm just gonna spray a little bit of my baccarat, because we love that. You don't even need a lot of this, but I'm gonna spray. Okay. We look good, we smell good. I still got the tag on this thing. It's cute. And then this is my scarf. It's like blue, black, and tan, and gray. Got this from H&M. So I will see you guys when we get to the restaurant. A claps. I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I know how to play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too out there. Maybe if you give us something, maybe if you run out of time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, and I need it, baby. I'm late, but I can check in. About to get into the nitty and gritty of what's been going on in each other's lives. Okay. The cheese is crazy. Hey guys, so I'm back looking like a whole new girl. Looking like a whole new girl, period. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Anyways, I just finished filming this look and how to get this bun and these poppin' baby hairs, period. Yeah, so that video will be going up before this, so you guys will be able to see that. And yeah, I miss my hair, honestly. Like, I honestly miss my hair so much. Wow, my battery's about to die. So yeah guys, that's pretty much all I'm about to do. Warm me up something to eat, and then I'm gonna wash my face off and chill out for a while. Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a full clip, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it, they do it. I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VV, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. They go straight to the Mada, then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. So as you can see, I'm dressed and I am ready to go. I did my hair and everything. I just slicked it back into a bun. And then my face, like I said I was gonna do. And we are about to head out and go to Ikea and also get a pick. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get a pick. I really want to, because I really hate to my face to just go to waist. And the fit, which by the way is just like this black bodysuit with black leggings and my black and white my black and white sock sneakers, and then I have some jewelry on. This is just my gold watch and then my gold bracelet from Amazon. And then I have like a gold ring. It is raining right now. So yeah, that is the agenda for today. Oh, and also I have to do all this and be back on this side of the water before 6 o'clock. It is now, I think, almost 1 o'clock. So I need to hurry up because it be traffic. It's a Monday. It's gonna be traffic. So yeah, I want to get over there and try to get back, like I said, by 6 o'clock, depending on how traffic is, because I have a class tonight at 7. So like I was saying, I started my new class today, and we have lecture from 7 p.m. to 9:40 p.m. So there's that. And I think I have an assignment that I have to do before class. I'm like, oh my god. Good last night, but I was so hungry. I was so full last night because we had bread and drinks and then appetizer, and then my food came, and I was like, I'm full. And then I ate some of my boyfriend's ribs. I had some of my boyfriend's ribs and some of his bacon mac and cheese, so I was full. Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. Okay guys, so we made it to Ikea. So I'm actually about to use, I'm parked right over here in the corner in the parking garage where nobody really comes. So I'm about to set up my tripod and I'm about to get some flicks real quick before we go inside, so I can knock 2 birds out with 1 stone. Okay, so yeah, I spoke too soon because why this girl gonna come all the way up here in the parking garage and park literally right by me? Right by me! All these spots, bro. I parked in the back of the parking garage and you come and park over here. Like, come on now. You're blowing me. And then she's just sitting in the car. Like, who knows how long she's gonna be sitting over there. She's literally right by me. I specifically came up here to park next to no one and be in the back so I can take my pics in peace. But no, sis wants to, literally, I'm in the back of the parking garage when there's so many spots at the front, and she chooses to come and park way in the back with me. Oh my god, another person too. I'm about to leave because at this point y'all are pissing me off. Pissing me off. Woo-wee. Okay, my hands are numb. Oh my god, my hands are numb. And honestly, I feel like I just freaking wasted my time because guess who didn't get no good pictures? This girl. Nothing. Everything I took was trash. Trash. Yeah, so let me go ahead and get inside so I can get what I need and I can get out and I can get back on the other side of the water because it's just really nasty outside, and yeah, I'm not trying to be out.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Ooh. So cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a baby Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I could put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that.
Oh my gosh, man. That was my workout for today. That was my workout for today because sis, what? I'm tired. I'm tired. Those freaking boxes were heavy as hell. Heavy. And I had to do it by myself. Because first of all, I had to get the boxes from the shelves by myself because nobody was trying to help me. And it is 4 o'clock. I need to hurry up. This is the worst time to be trying to get back across the water, bro. Woo! Okay. But I do need to hurry up and get home because I need to do this assignment and I need to get on Zoom for my class at 7. So, and it's 4 o'clock right now, so I have 3 hours. Oh, and I really pray that it's not that much traffic. I mean, I know it's gonna be traffic, but we shall see. Listen, y'all, I cannot wait to get my new car because I was over here struggling to get this daggone box in my little Honda. Don't get me wrong, I love my Honda, but I'm ready for something bigger. And no, I don't want a Honda SUV. I don't know. The newer ones, they're kind of starting to grow on me. Not a CRV though. I don't want one of those. No. I really would like an Acura or a Volkswagen SUV or what's the other one I saw? The Mazdas. They're pretty nice. And it's crazy because like all these like affordable, oh no, and the other one that I really like is the Hyundai. Listen, these SUVs are starting to look real luxury now. And I'm here for it. Spending less coin but still having a nice luxury looking vehicle is where it's at. Because I don't want to pay. I want something that looks like a luxury car, but I'm not trying to pay luxury money. Not right now, at least. I'm honestly tired of seeing these posts about Kanye and Kim Kardashian and what they have going on in their personal lives. Like, we do not need to see that. We do not care. We don't care. Like, and Kanye is starting to get on my nerves. Like you keep posting stuff like, I don't know. That ain't none of my business, but it's getting on my nerves.